Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing BirchBox unboxing. I stopped doing or getting these. I stopped getting these a couple of months ago because I couldn't afford it. But now that I'm getting more hours and everything, I'm able to do more of these each month. Which I just did my Ipsy bag. If you guys didn't see it, go ahead and check it out. It has some really, really nice stuff, including this, which I am obsessed with. So go ahead and check out that video of my Ipsy bag unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. I haven't checked what's in this, and I haven't seen the box design either. Getting into these is like a big pain in the butt sometimes. And sometimes the tabs are easy to open like on the sides and everything, but like here is like a pain in the butt. Okay. That is so pretty. Look at the box. Okay, so it's like a box within a box, kind of. Box is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. So one of the last boxes that I got, or 2 boxes ago, 2 boxes ago, I think, I got this eyelash curler, which I'm in love with. So let's see what I have today. Little insert. So it does only have 5 in it. So here's a little card that says what's in it. So the first item is the Odessa, New York. It's like a butter lip balm. Here it is. It's this little thing right here. It says, coat your lips with this paraben and cruelty-free formula featuring a core infused with cold-pressed kupuachu butter, which hydrates and heals. It leaves a sheer and natural glow. And then the full size is $24. Let's go ahead and open this up. Where did I put my scissors at? Put it over here. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut that open. If I can, or just take the sticker off. Okay. Ooh. That is so pretty. It's like it looks like a little lipstick. That's what it looks like. And then it says a little core infused. Oh, that smells so good. Look how pretty that is. It's like a pinky, like, color looking thing. And then it has like on the inside, the little middle part, the white part, is the cold pressed kupacha something butter. I don't know. I can't pronounce it. Let's see a swatch test. So it does seem to leave, it's like right there, you guys can barely see it, but it does seem to leave like a little pinkish, like, tint to it. So let's try it. It smells really good. It smells almost like cinnamon, like. I love this. 10 out of 10. Okay, so the next thing that's in it is the Beauty it's the Botanic Beauty. It is a BirchBox exclusive. It is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel in Brunette. The full size is $12. It's the sample size. So I'm gonna take off my eyebrows and try this. So hopefully it matches my hair, because my hair is a little bit darker. So I like to do my eyebrows now a little bit darker than normal. Because I am going to be doing my hair at some point next week. Hair is going to be a little bit darker next week. Okay. So let's dry that off. Okay. So it says shape define and keep brow hairs in place with this lightweight aloe vera enriched formula that doesn't flake or fade. Brush through your brows, use short, gentle strokes. Okay, let's see how to open this. Right there. Same. Okay. So there's a little wand. It looks a little bit dark for me, but I don't know. Let's try it. It says use short, gentle strokes. Oops. It is very, very light. I do see that. So those are the color looks like on the back of my hand. So let's finish doing my brows with this. I just ordered the 4-pack of Boing concealers, the Goofer brow pencil, the Laura Mercier setting powder, and then what's the other one? Oh, the Rainforest of the Sea, or something like that from Tarte setting spray. So I got those so I can finally do a full face of Sephora brand or Sephora or high-end makeup basically. This is really pretty. It is very light though. That's the one thing I don't like about this. It is very light. So let's do my other eyebrow and see how it looks. It like combs through the brows and just coats the brow hairs. I do like that. And it like literally just gets the brow hairs. It doesn't, I mean, it's scrubbing against my skin, but it like morphs into the brow. See, that one looks better than this one. Maybe I can get it on my skin a little bit and it'll... Let me take this spoolie and blend it a little bit better. See, it's like really light. It's like very, very light. See, I'm used to like a dark brow pencil like this one, which is the Total Temptations Brow Definer from Maybelline. I could recently get it. This lip is starting like a pinky. It's like a pinky on my lips. But this is like really light. I could use this whenever my hair goes back to like because I'm not used to my brows being this light normally. It's in brunette. Okay. So the next thing is the Coola Classic SPF 30 Dawn Patrol, the makeup primer. Where is that? It's this. It says this primer, the full size of this one is $42. It says this primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup application and protects from harmful UV rays. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So I can apply this as like a sunscreen or off my face, or just use it as a makeup primer. I think I'm just going to try a little bit on the back of my hand. That's what I'm going to do, because I don't feel like taking my whole makeup off and seeing how it sits on the face. So this is what it looks like. It's just a little blob. So I'm going to blend it into the skin, see what that does. What in the world? It made my hand, back of my hand is like really smooth right now. I cannot wait to use that as my primer tomorrow. And it blended this so perfectly. And it's like almost like butter. Like the feeling, it is a little bit oily. You guys can see like the shine off my fingers, but it's so moisturizing though. What in the world? Okay. Okay. I see you. This might be something that I want to buy in the future. Definitely. So the next thing is the Orb Dry Texturing Spray. The full size of this is 46, which isn't too bad. It's a texturing spray. So it looks like the back of my hand. And I guess I can just use it to do my hair up, but oh, it smells toxic. I didn't even smell this yet. I just have a smell to it. That just like, Okay. So then last thing is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator full size. This is $34. It says this customer favorite mimics the effects of microdermabrasion, glowing, smooth complexion, massage a pea-sized amount onto damp skin and rinse. Use 3 to 5 times a week. So this is like a an exfoliator, which I need because my face, like especially right here to my nose, my forehead, it's just so dry, and then my makeup, it just clumps up and does not look good. So I'm like excited to try this tonight. That's all that's in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the box. But I'm very excited to start doing more of these. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing today. If you did, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below telling me if you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Actually, before that, that's what I should say. If you guys have any products that you guys want me to try out, high-end or drugstore, leave them down in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys on that. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for my post notifications, to turn on my post notifications so you guys get updated whenever I upload a new video or do a live stream. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video.